Welcome to Chevy Chase, Maryland, where you're going to see more beautiful aesthetic homes in this Montgomery County city, but you're also going to see established homes in beautiful communities. So if you're thinking about moving to Chevy Chase, Maryland in the next 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate to give us a call. When the house needs to be torn down and renovations need to be done, we are seeing a trend of more new contemporary homes, as you see right behind me. Both of these are just currently built. So here, you're going to find a 5-bedroom, 8-bath home with almost 4,000 square feet at $3.5 million. So it is a beautiful home with all of the black aesthetics that you have been seeing so far lately: black roofs, black gutters, and black trimmed windows. So that is just part of this new aesthetic that everybody is absolutely loving. I see it more with Toll Brother homes, that new contemporary design that they've come up with, the farmhouse chic. It's just a really pretty house. But you are going to see more of the whites and the lighter tans with this black trim that really pops against those colors. Bringing you more beautiful homes from Chevy Chase, Maryland. In this community, once again, well-seasoned, established homes that have been here for a while. So you're going to see the beautiful trees that have grown very tall and provide all types of shade and more architecture that people would appreciate. So in this community, I am seeing a house today that is for sale. And what it offers is this house has more additions. So as opposed to a complete tear down, you're going to see more add-ons in this particular community. This house is $2.5 million. It offers 5 bedrooms and 6 baths, almost 4,000 square feet. And in this neighborhood, that's the price point you'll see more often. But once again, we're in Chevy Chase now. We are right off of East-West Highway, right off Connecticut Avenue, about 10 minutes from Bethesda Row, and the shopping center's there. So you do have the flexibility to jump right into Bethesda downtown and do all the shopping and things that most people would enjoy near their home. But once again, when you want to live, love, and play, this is the type of environment that a lot of people have been drawn to out here in Chevy Chase, Maryland. And as you can see, once again, beautiful aesthetics, bricks, not sticks, but gorgeous streamlined homes, just beautiful character, charm, not to be unmatched, and it's a walkable community. I've seen so many people walking through this area, just taking strolls in the afternoon, just enjoying, their worlds at this point. And this is why people pick this aesthetic. They want to do the daily walks, just a quiet community. It's been super quiet. Yes, I am here during the middle of the day, but that does speak to a community. You don't see a lot of children here, so that speaks to the average age in the community. It is a little older. Once again, when you see the tear downs and you see the houses being fully renovated, is that a family coming in to create the generational floor plans, the multi-gen. So what most people are looking for, but they want to stay in the area, and land is something that you're not going to come by. So do you create it in the community that you've been in for years? So that's the aesthetic that I'm getting from Chevy Chase, Bethesda areas. But this beautiful home, once again, $2.5 million, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, and almost 4,000 square feet. So if you're thinking about moving to Chevy Chase, Maryland in the next 9 days or 90 days, don't hesitate to give us a call. You get a true feel of what Chevy Chase looks like and the different aesthetics that you're going to see here. Right around the corner, we have another house to view. That house is $2.5 million. So it's a different disparity. It's a couple minutes from Bethesda Row. It took me about 10 minutes to leave from there and get here. But as you can see, it's a very walkable community. Once again, you're not going to see a lot of sidewalks in this area. So, but people walk, they push their strollers, they bring their dogs, they are out and about in the community, well known, and it's super walkable to shopping and different things that people need on a daily basis to live, eat, and play.